Assalamu alaikum, dear students, and welcome back to the English online session. Today, we shall discuss the most interesting and fun-filled story, Zigzag, by Asha Nehmiah. Come on, let's get started. Now, let's see the author of the supplementary Zigzag. The author is Asha Nehmiah. She was born in Chennai in 1958. She has studied and lived in 8 different cities and small towns and is now a resident of Bangalore. She has always been interested in writing. Her love for reading led her to study literature in college. If she had not been a writer, she would have been a teacher. Humor, fantasy, mystery, and adventure are the strong elements in her work. She loves baking, walking, reading, and traveling. This is all about Asha Nehmiah. Now we shall proceed with the characters of the supplementary. He is Dr. Krishnan. He is a child specialist doctor. He runs a clinic and he is the husband of Mrs. Krishnan and father of Maya and Arvind. He is a very good friend of Somu, who is also a doctor. She is Mrs. Krishnan, wife of Mr. Krishnan, and she is the mother of Maya and Arvind. She is a very good artist and her painting titled Sunset at Marina, and she is all the time busy in getting painting ready for her exhibition. He is Arvind, son of Mr. Krishnan and brother of Maya. He likes to take Zigzag to school. He wants to display Zigzag in the science exhibition. She is a very sweet little girl, Maya. She is the sister of Arvind and she is just 9 years old. He is Somu, friend of Dr. Krishnan. He is also a child specialist and he had cured the witch doctor's son in Africa. He had presented many gifts to Maya and Arvind, like a giant green and goldfish beetle, an insect-eating plant from Amazonian rainforest, and boomerang from Australia. He is Vishu, an old cook of Somu. He took Zigzag to the Krishnan's family. She is Mrs. Junjunwala. She is an art critic and she resides in the apartment upstairs. She bought the painting The Sunset at Marina of Mrs. Krishnan for rupees 5,000. Last but not the least, he is Zigzag, an harmless, unusual and lovable bird. He can talk and sing in 21 different languages. His full name is Ziggy Zaga, King of the Tonga. He can even recite French poetry. In the beginning of the story, he sleeps and snores a lot. But at the end of the story, he gives a big twist. So these are the characters of the story Zigzag. My dear students, now let's see the gist of the story Zigzag. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to see the second beautiful supplementary, the Zigzag. Zigzag is written by Asha Nehmiah, who was born in 1958 at Chennai. Let's see the important characters of the story, the Zigzag. He is Dr. Krishnan, a child specialist who ran a clinic. He is Dr. Somu, the friend of Dr. Krishnan. This is Maya, Dr. Krishnan's daughter. Arvind, Dr. Krishnan's son. Mrs. Krishnan, Dr. Krishnan's wife. Vishu, Dr. Somu's cook. Lakshmi the maid, Mrs. Junjunwala the art critic. Let's get started with the story. Dr. Krishnan, a child specialist, ran a clinic. His wife, Mrs. Krishnan, was an artist. She was busy with her painting Sunset at Marina. Dr. Krishnan had two children, Arvind and Maya. Dr. Somu was a friend of Dr. Krishnan and he was going to Alaska, so he asked his friend Dr. Krishnan to look after the bird Zigzag. It was a harmless, unusual and a lovable bird. Zigzag's full name is Ziggy Zaga, King of the Tonga. Vishu, an old cook of Dr. Somu, took the bird to his house. The bird knew 21 languages but refused to speak a word in the new house. It disliked to be in the house. It climbed on a curtain rod and fell asleep. Then it began to snore. Due to the sound of the snoring, the neighbors and Dr. Krishnan's family got very much angry. So they decided to send a mail to Dr. Somu to take back Zigzag. Somu replied them to return Zigzag to his cook Vishu. One day, Dr. Krishnan took Zigzag to his clinic for a change. There it behaved well as it was trained by the African witch doctor. It looked happy and alert instead of a bored and grumpy expression. Dr. Krishnan was surprised by the bird's behavior. Later, he received a phone call from his wife. She told that her painting was brought by Mrs. Junjunwala for rupees 5,000 and they felt it happened because of Zigzag. At last, the family was very happy with Zigzag and they agreed to keep Zigzag with them. This is the end of the story. Now we shall proceed to the complete explanation of the story.
When a family tries to bring up a pet, they have to bear up the troubles of the pet. Here is the story of a family. A story of Dr. Ashok T. Krishnan. He owned a child specialist clinic. There is always more sound at than any other hospital. The sounds of children. One day, Dr. Krishnan's wife, Mrs. Krishnan, visited the clinic. She was irritated because of the sounds. Doctor asked to apologize and told that his friend Somu called him and Somu wanted him to take care of his pet till he come back from Alaska. Dr. Krishnan refused by said no, but Somu thought that he said yes because of the poor network. Dr. Krishnan admits that his wife is very busy to getting ready her painting for her next exhibition, but he doesn't know who is going to take care of Somu's pet Zigzag. Zigzag! Exclaimed by Dr. Krishnan's 9-year-old daughter Maya, and she asked, "Isn't that Somu's uncle's green beetle? The one who spits the poison to the opponent's eye?" No, refused by older brother Aravind. He also added, "The beetle is called Spitfire. Zigzag must be a snake." "You both mistaken," interrupted by Dr. Krishnan, and revealed Zigzag is a most harmless and lovable bird. A African witch doctor gifted this bird to Somu. Mrs. Krishnan says, "Somu may be your best friend, but whatever he gifted us, it makes trouble to us." And she started to explain. "Do you remember the insect-eating plant? While giving it, he promised us it would eat mosquitoes, but what happened now? We need a room heater to keep it alive. But Aravind opposed that. He told, "You are right, mother, but remember the penknife he gave us last year. It has been really helpful." Maya also support his brother. Mrs. Krishnan says, "Maya, you should not support him because you tore 3 skirts and 2 pair of jeans with that knife." Aravind says, "Then what about boomerang which he bought from Australia? You can't deny it, mother." Mrs. Krishnan replied, "Did you forget, Aravind, that boomerang cut the TV wires, damage to several cars, and knock out our watchman?" Now Dr. Krishnan crossed. But zigzag is different. He also ascertained that we too love the zigzag. Because the bird knows 21 languages. If it starts to sing, the voice can attract thousands of hearts. Mrs. Krishnan says, "I think it is useless. I have many other works, especially painting." Then Aravind requested his father that he wanted to bring the zigzag to his school. He wanted to exhibit in the science exhibition. Maya inquired when zigzag was coming. Dr. Krishnan replied, "Somu said he would send zigzag with his old cook Visu. Sometime they will come today." Suddenly the doorbell rang. When they opened the door, it was Visu and zigzag. Dr. Krishnan's family shocked when they saw the zigzag because it is a weirdest looking bird. It was so ugly and horrible. "This is zigzag," announced by Visu, and he said that he is going to miss zigzag. Aravind strived to make him to speak, but all is vain. So he brought some pieces of fruits and nuts to feed it. Zigzag picked up a walnut, but he refused to speak. So Visu said, "Just wait till Zigzag settles down in this new home." Then Visu and Dr. Krishnan left from his home. When Visu left from house, Zigzag fell asleep and began to snore. It began a soft grumble, then it grew louder. The whole family irritated and strived to wake it up, but they can't. Mrs. Krishnan blamed everyone. Maya says, as per the scientific fact, the bird could not snore, and she tried to water Zigzag to wake up. Finally, she wetting most of the curtains and sofa instead. Aravind make a different sounds like lion and ferocious dog, but Zigzag slept on undisturbed and snored on. So everybody moves to the bedroom. Suddenly their maid Lakshmi screamed from the painting studio. Everybody rushed into it and found Lakshmi dancing and singing, and she said, "We have been blessed for a long time. See the pieces of fruits and nuts. Those are falling as rain." By saying this, she switched on a fan, on which Zigzag kept some fruits and nuts. Before Lakshmi realized, a piece of fruit fell over her cheeks and a walnut hit her forehead. A papaya fruit piece fell over Mrs. Krishnan's painting, a masterpiece painting. Mrs. Krishnan got much angry and she strived to shoot Zigzag. But suddenly telephone rang. Mrs. Krishnan picked up a call. The call from neighboring houses. They requested her to stop the strange sound. With lot of anger, Mrs. Krishnan called her husband and informed everything, and she told him that one of her neighbor, Mrs. Jungjungwala, had called her by hearing Zigzag's snoring sound and asked whether she could stop her singing lesson. So she requested her husband to find out his friend Somu. Next moment, Dr. Krishnan left from the clinic. Before he left from clinic, he sent an email to Somu requesting how to stop Zigzag snoring sound and he convinced every of his neighbor. Days passed. Dr. Krishnan checks his mail daily. 6 days over. 6 days. They tolerate that snoring sound. Maya complains that she heard the snoring sound repeatedly in her eardrum. Aravind told for the first time he wished to go to school. Mrs. Krishnan had lost interest in painting. So, a cruel 6 days over, this is the 7th day. A email arrived from Somu. On that day, Mrs. Krishnan compelled his husband to take off zigzag from the house because few of her friends would visit her house. So, Dr. Krishnan brought zigzag to his clinic and warned him not to sleep anymore. As he opened his room door, he heard a strange voice which says, "Hey there, blue t-shirt, don't jump on sofa. And you, hey, red dress, don't swing on curtain." It was Zigzag's voice, bold and commanding voice. The next moment, there was a pin drop silence in the room. Dr. Krishnan was amazed. Usually a noisy clinic turned a silent place. Patients consoled. Naughty children become a silent one, and Zigzag starts to sing and narrate the French poem, which makes a complete peaceful soul to the patients. After that, the Zigzag never ever snored. At the moment, Mrs. Krishnan called him. "Doctor, pick your phone." She told that she sold the painting for 5,000 rupees. Dr. Krishnan shocked and asked, How? How is possible? Isn't the painting the papaya fell over?" She replied, "Yes, but the customer liked the papaya splash particularly and appreciate me also." Then she laughed for a moment and she told that she wanted to bring back the bird Zigzag. Dr. Krishnan also felt much happy and gave a sweet to Zigzag. Zigzag ate the sweet and winked his eyelid. This is how the story Zigzag ends.
Now let's learn the paragraph. Here is the question. Write in your own words the various commotions caused by Zigzag at Dr. Krishnan's residence. So commotions means what are the confusions brought by Zigzag at Dr. Krishnan's residence. Okay, so this is the question. Here is your answer. So first give the lesson name. Zigzag. Author is Asha Nehmiah. Theme is commotions caused by Zigzag. So mention few of the characters, that is Dr. Krishnan's family, Vishu and the pet bird, and give an outline. Vishu brought Zigzag. Dr. Krishnan's house, Zigzag deposited blades of fan, slept, snored loudly, spoiled Mrs. Krishnan's painting, and commotion. So here is the answer. Somu left the bird Zigzag at Mr. Krishnan's house. So who is Somu? Dr. Vishu's cook. So why did he bring Zigzag? Because Dr. Vishu had an important work in Alaska. So he wanted Mr. Krishnan to take care of Zigzag in his house for a week. So he sent Zigzag along with Somu to Mr. Krishnan's house. So the next point. He told that the bird can speak 21 languages. So how many languages can a bird speak? 21 languages. So on the first day, it didn't utter a word. So on the very first day at Mr. Krishnan's house, Zigzag never speak a word. Utter means never opened and speak even a single word. Aravind and Maya tried to make the bird speak, but in vain. Aravind and Maya tried a lot to make the bird to speak, but everything was in vain. Vain means it was of no use at all. It looked dull. So the bird looked dull all the time. It was provided with nuts and fruits. It eats a few and picked some fruits. Even after eating some nuts and fruits, the bird did not utter a single word. So instead, what did it do? It just ate some and it picked some of the fruits and it climbed on the blades of the fan. It was sitting on the blade of the fan. It started to sleep and to snore. So what he did? Instead of talking, he was very bored and he started to sleep and he began to snore also. Snore means a sound which you make when you are in deep sleep. So nobody was able to bear it. So nobody couldn't bear that sound. The members of the house tried everything to stop it from snoring, but they failed. Or every member of Mr. Krishnan's house, they tried to stop that snore because it was uncontrollable, but they couldn't stop the bird snoring. People from neighboring houses started to complain. So everybody started to complain of the sound. They couldn't bear that sound. The maid, that is Lakshmi, unknowingly switched on the fan. So what happened? The maid Lakshmi unknowingly switched on the fan and she doesn't know that Zigzag is sitting on the fan, that is blade of the fan. The papaya and orange fruits splattered on the unfinished painting of Mrs. Krishnan. So what happened? The papaya and orange pulps and all, everything flattered and plushed on Mrs. Krishnan's painting, that is Sunset at Marina. So her entire painting was spoiled by Zigzag. She requested her husband to take it away with anger. So she doesn't want Zigzag to be in her house. So Dr. Krishnan took Zigzag to his clinic. What did Dr. Krishnan do? He took Zigzag to his clinic. Why did he take Zigzag to his clinic? Because for a change. Because Zigzag is making so much of nuisance in his house. So he wanted to give a change to Zigzag, and even Mrs. Krishnan doesn't want Zigzag to be in the house. So that's why he took the Zigzag to his clinic. So what it did, it transformed into a lovely bird. When it entered into the clinic, the Zigzag just changed himself and he started reacting well, like a lovely bird. It entertained everyone. So Zigzag entertained the children. He controlled the sound of the children. So finally, it just took care of the children very well. And Dr. Krishnan was very happy by seeing this, and even he informed Mrs. Krishnan about the happening, what all the Zigzag did in his clinic. So even Mrs. Krishnan was very happy, and they all accepted Zigzag to keep the Zigzag along with them for one more week. I hope you can understand this paragraph well. That's all about the story Zigzag. Thank you, children.